Today we're diving deep into the habits that might be keeping you stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. Remember, financial wellness is attainable for everyone, but it takes awareness and a willingness to change. So, grab a pen and paper, or hit that subscribe button for more content to help you on your wealth-building journey. Top 50 habits that's keeping you poor. Habit number 40. Ignoring maintenance, neglecting financial decisions based on what others are doing. Ignoring maintenance is a prime example when we neglect regular upkeep of our possessions, whether it's a home, a car, or even our health. Problems that could have been minor and inexpensive to fix can escalate into major, costly issues. For instance, skipping routine car maintenance might save money in the short term, but a small problem like a leaky hose could lead to an engine breakdown, requiring a much more expensive repair. This kind of short-term thinking leads to a cycle of unnecessary expenses, draining resources that could otherwise be invested in opportunities for growth or stability. Similarly, making financial decisions based on what others are doing can be detrimental. This behavior, often driven by the fear of missing out FOMO, can lead to poor financial choices like overspending or investing in trends without proper research. For example, if someone sees their peers investing in a volatile stock without understanding the risks, they might do the same, only to lose their money when the market crashes. This herd mentality can prevent individuals from making informed, strategic decisions that would benefit their long-term financial health. Instead of building wealth, they find themselves chasing after fleeting trends, ultimately keeping them in a cycle of poverty. The key to breaking free from this cycle lies in disciplined habits, prioritizing maintenance, and making decisions based on informed, independent analysis rather than following the crowd. Stay tuned for part 41, where we'll explore even more habits to break free from financial limitations. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Like this video and subscribe for more tips on budgeting, saving, and building wealth. Let's conquer your financial goals together.